It's a beautiful day, and who's ready for some pressure washing? So today we're working on a 1200 square feet interlock driveways that has seen better days. So let's see what we're dealing with. Here is the full lineup for today's project. A gas-powered pressure washer, a 100-foot garden hose, a 100-foot pressure line with a gun, chlorine and Dawn soap, rain boots, waterproof vest, gloves, hat. We've also got the surface cleaner, leaf blower with a charger, and a small toolkit. First things off, let's clear the surface. I always start by blowing away leaves, sand, and any loose debris before touching the pressure washer. The entire area is just over 1200 square feet. It's going to take a while, but trust me, it's all worth it. Water's on. Before starting, I always flush out the air from the line. It keeps the system balanced and prevents that rough start. Let's do a quick check. Fuel, choke, pressure set right, and we're ready. Let's fire it up.
Ready?
Now comes the fun part. You can actually see years of dirt, grime, and moss lifting off the interlock. It's always satisfying watching the original color come back. Stick around to the end and see how big the transformation gets. Some of these weeds have roots deep enough to survive anything. Got a handful through tough ones. Slowly but surely, you could already see the difference. Still a lot left, but it's coming together. Next step, the surface cleaner. This is what gives that perfect even streak. You can actually see the clear contrast between the clean and untreated sections. If you have any questions or want me to make a video breaking down how much each equipment cost, or how we got to this client, and exactly how much we earned versus spent, let me know, and I'll be happy to make one. Please comment and subscribe and like the video to support my channel. Finally, I switch to low pressure and rinse down the surrounding plants. Always make sure no chemicals residue stays on them. And that's a wrap. The surface is spotless and debris are cleared, and it's officially ready for sanding.